Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Subway Surfers with friends. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up Subway Surf. So one thing to take note, Subway Surfers does not support real-time multiplayer like racing alongside friends live, etc. However, it has a tag team or leaderboard challenge system, allows for competitive play with your friends. So now the best way to do this is to sign in with your Facebook or Apple ID, Google Play. This lets you connect with your friends. So to do this, click on the gear icon, top right hand corner of the page here. And now on my Subway Surfers, I can go ahead and play games to connect with my games account or Facebook. So what I suggest is connecting either one of these. So if I connect to Facebook, now it's gonna ask me to Subway Surfers requesting access to my Facebook account. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue as me. And now if I've got any friends on my Facebook account, they're going to appear inside my game as well. So I'm just going to connect my account. All right, as you can see, I've connected my Facebook account and it says disconnect. So we don't want to disconnect, keep that as it is. And another way to play with friends inside Subway Surfers is on like the home screen here. So we can see here, add friends, compete for the highest score. So you can go ahead and click on add friends like so. So we can click on friends here. And then on the top here, it says add friends. So we can go ahead and click on add friends and you can add a player tag here. So go ahead and put in your player tag. And you can also share your profile. So my QR or share, and also your player tag. So you can send that to people outside of your Facebook account or whatever. So then they could be inside your friends list inside Subway Surfers.